Last week I had the privilege of attending the Womenspire Awards, where the work of women across Wales was celebrated and recognised, with awards in categories ranging from community activism to business, industry and the arts. And I was delighted that Sarah Draper, the Fitness Managing Director at Inspire Fitness in Merthyr, won the Game Changer of the Year award. With the help of grant funding, Sarah launched a group called Merthyr Girls Can in 2016, bringing together otherwise difficult to reach women in terms of health and well-being and introduce them to fitness. Sarah is teaching these women and their families that it's important to get out there and engage in physical activity, be it walking, running or just kicking a ball. Through Merthyr Girls Can, they receive self-esteem coaching, nutritional advice, one-to-one personal training, coaching support, a 20-week training programme and unlimited exercise sessions. Due to its huge success, a further 3 Merthyr Girl Can groups have been formed with phenomenal results, and Merthyr Girls 4 started on the 1st of April this year. Through Sarah's hard work, support and encouragement, many Merthyr women have achieved amazing things, entering triathlons, marathons, gaining qualifications and employment in sport, and inspiring others into fitness. There are endless testimonials to Sarah's work, but I would like to thank Sarah and those like her who give up their time tirelessly to help others. Without them, our objective of making Wales a healthier nation would be so much harder to achieve.